is only. Okay. Now select star from EMP. How many columns are there? Tell me. How many columns are there? Six. Dania. How come six? Right? Seven. Hare Krishna. How come seven? Right? There are eight columns are there. Okay. See. Seven. Sir Sonia. Sir seven. No. Right? See. One. Employee number. Two. E-name. Three. Job. Four. MGR. Five. Hire date. Six. Sal. Seven. Commission. Eight. Department number. Sonia. Eight columns are there. Okay. So total eight columns are there. Okay. Any table you take, there will be one hidden column. Any table you take, there will be one hidden column called row num. Row num means row number. Okay, row num. It is a pseudo column or hidden column. Column or hidden column. Okay. Now if I write select star from, okay, select row num from EMP. See, row number means this table. Okay, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 14. So row num values are numeric in nature and unique in nature. For example, department table is there. Select star from department. Okay. Again, for this also separate row num will be created. Will be there. So select row num from PPT. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Everyone understood? So for every table, row num will be created. Understood? Everyone understood? Okay. Now, every output also row num will be created. For example, select ename, job, sal from EMP, where job equals to salesman. Okay. This output is there, right? Can I consider this output as one table? This output, see, there are 3 columns, there are 4 rows. This output, some X table called X. This output also row num will be created. For example, consider this output as X. So select star from X. Imagine this is an X table. But in database there is no table called X. So what I'll do, in from I'll write select ename, job, okay, job, sal from EMP. See, I didn't do anything. Listen carefully. Select star from table name. That is the syntax. Select star from table name. This output I consider as one table. Table called X. So I have to write select star from X. But there is no table called X. So in the place of table name, I have written a subquery. So this output is one table. For this, separate row num will be created. For example, select row num from, okay, wait. Select from table name I have to write. Okay, I don't have this table name. Okay, so I have written select ename, job, sal from EMP where job equals to salesman. Okay, this output I consider as one table. This inside query will execute first. So this output I consider as one table called X. Now see row number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this out, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this output, whatever output is there, that output also, this is the output for that. Separate row number will be created. Separate row number will be created. Everyone understood? Rajeshwari, check with your network. All the other people can hear. Well understood? There is nothing query here, right? Okay, sir, without executing the query, we can check the row number. No. You have to execute. Okay. See, row num, it is a pseudo column. Okay. Next, row num values are numeric in nature and unique in nature. See, all row num values are numeric numbers and unique. Obviously, every row num value is a unique in nature. Okay. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood? Okay. Now, don't write anything. Don't write anything. Now, see, select star from EMP. Okay. Now, if I write explain, alright, row num values say row num. There will be a hidden column called row num. That row num values are always numeric in nature and unique in nature. So, if you want to display the hidden column, select the row num from table name. Select row num from table name. So you'll get in EMP table, if you write select row num from EMP, you'll get 14, 1 to 14 numbers. And every output, for example, if you write some query, you'll get some output. Again, for this output, separate row num will be created. Here row num is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if you consider this output as one table called X. Okay. So select row num from table name you have to write, but this output, if you consider as one table X, that X is not there, in the database. So I have written that query inside from, after from. So this output, it will be considered as one table. So select row num from the table name. The table name is not there, so I have written the query. This will be the output. Everyone understood? Clear now? Okay. If I write select star from EMP where row num equals to 1, what will be the output? What will be the output? What will be the output? One row, single row, I'm not asking. What it will do is show the Smith record. First row will come, Smith record. First row don't have, Smith record will come. Okay, good. See, you got first record, Smith record. Okay, now, tell me now, select star from EMP where row num equals to 3. What will be the output? Third record or 3 records? Third record or 3 records? Only what record? Good, good. Output, no rows selected. Output, no rows selected. Okay, remember, by default, row num value is 1. By default, row num value is 1. If you give any other value, it won't take. Only 1 it will take. By default, row num value is 1. Okay, clear? Next. Next. Relational operators. What are relational operators? Less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, equals to. Okay. Row num will work for less than and less than equals to operators. Okay, but not greater than and greater than or equals to operators. Means what, sir? Means what, sir? For example, if you write select star from EMP where row num is less than or equals to 3. Okay, means less than or equals to, it will work. See, first 3 records will come. Less than or equals to 3 means first 3 records will come. But if you write select star from EMP where row num is greater than or equals to 3, you'll get no rows selected. That means less than and less than or equals to row num values will work. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood? Copy whatever I have written. You do, sir. Delete, you do. I have said less than or equals to. I've displayed you for less than or equals to, right? Here execute. Yes, only one it will. Where it is executing for 3, right? See, for 3, you got no rows selected. Okay, but if you write less than or equals to or less than, it will execute. That's what I said. That's what I said. First copy this, I'll show you, I'll display you the output. Everyone copy it? Wait, sir, okay. Numeric in nature means it will be always in numbers. Unique in nature means no repeated values. Okay, done. Now write the example. See, from here you write. From here to here, all the examples, 4 examples and outputs you have to write. Yes, Sonia, by default, Ronam value is 1. Once you complete, let me know. Everyone copied? Okay, now the interview question starts. Okay, write a query. Okay, before that, if you want to display complete table along with row num, if you write select star comma row num from EMP, will you get an output or not? Will you get an output or not? Yes or no? Remember, you will get error. Okay, along with star, no, you get error. With star, you can't write anything. If you write star and select, that's it. You can't write anything. But if you want complete table information along with row num, then you have to write. EMP dot star. If you write EMP dot star, it will execute. It will execute. See, along with row num. Okay. Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Fine. Now the interview question is, write a query to display third record of EMP table. Now you people write. You people write. Madan Kumar Booth wrong. Sai Maja wrong. I said you by row num by default, row num value is 1. Madan Kumar double equals to 3. What double equals to which subject I am teaching there? No, wrong. Wrong. Other people reply. Guys, reply, answer. Oh, Suman, almost you came. Suman Tripathi, but fine. Okay, see, I will only tell you. Okay. Third record of EMP table. By default, row number value is 1. If you write 3, you'll get no rows selected. Okay. So select EMP dot star, comma, row num as A. Row num as A. What I did, from EMP. I have alias. See, okay, row num column, I have alias. Now, if I write like this, see, I got A record. Now, this table have a separate row num. This table have a separate row num. This is not row num now. Now, this is not a row num. This is A. I have alias to A. Okay. So, this is not a separate table. This is not a separate row num. If I write A equals to 3, I'll get third record. If I write A equals to 3, I'll get third record. Okay. But execution will not happen from there. So what I'll write, select star from inside bracket, select emp dot star from comma row num as A from emp bracket close. This output will be considered as one table. This output will be considered as one table where A equals to 3. Now see, what is third record? Everyone understood? Copy that. So if you want last record, what will be the query? I will already ask first. I will ask first copy that. If everyone copied, write the query to display fifth record of PMB table. Fifth record of PMB table. Return array, same query ready. Okay, same query. Put 5, that's it. Got it? Next, write a query to display fourth and sixth. Fourth and sixth record of PMB table. Mm-hmm. A equals to 4 or 6? No. A equals to 4 or A equals to 6? 6. If not, you can write A in 4 comma 6. Vijaya, that is wrong. A equals to 4 comma 6. That is Budre. So you have to write A in 4, 6 because both belongs to same column. Wait. Okay, got it? Everyone understood? Now, write a query to display last record of EMP table. Now write last record of EMP table. If you write A equals to 14, I will kill your array. Wrong, all are wrong. Array, don't ask me, can we use this, can we use that? You try and let me know. Suman, wrong. Use 14 number, Madan Kumar. Just now I said, how can you use that 14 number? Krishna, write full query. Okay, I'll tell you. See, select star from select emp dot star comma row num as a from emp bracket close, where a equals to, people will think that 14. This query you know, but 14 you are telling, but you don't know that last record number is 14. How to get last record? Can I get select count of star? Count of star will give you total number of records. Means total number of records means 14 will come from EMP. See, this query output is where a equals to descending, a descending, that one you can write. Okay. See, inside query, you'll get output 14. See, inside query you got output 14. So if total number of records, you'll get it. So if you write this query, you'll get last record of EMP table. Everyone understood? Is it clear? Acha, that's not possible. Completed, everyone? Now, very important interview question is, write a query to display third highest salary. Okay, next. Third highest salary. Next. Write a query to display second least salary. Okay. Okay, guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully. There is a column called salary column. Listen carefully, don't write anything. Which contains 600, 100, 300, 200, 500, 400, 100, 300, 600. Okay, these are the salary. Now, third highest salary. What is the third highest salary? 400 is the third highest salary. Okay, so I need a get. I want to listen carefully. I want to get an output as 400. So when 400 is the third highest salary, I have to get that one. Now, here, if you observe, duplicate records are there. Duplicate records are there. So how to remove duplicate records? How to remove? Select distinct of sal from EMP. Distinct of sal from EMP. Now the output is what? Now the output is what? Okay. 100, 300, 200, 500, 400. This is the output. This is the output. Okay. Now see, any order is there. There is no order for this. So what I'll do, I'll use order by sal, order by sal descending, order by sal descending. Not only the output. Output is what? 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100. So this is the output, final output. This is the final. Now this output program will be created. This output, okay. This output I consider as one table. This output I consider as one table. See, this output I consider as one table. Table where I have to write. Table where I have to write from. Okay. So from. Okay. Now what I'll do, this output have separate row number, right? So I want third highest salary. What I'll do, row num is less than or equals to 3. See, why I 3? Because I want third highest salary. If you want fourth highest salary, 4. If you want second highest salary, put 2. Okay. Now, if I give row num is less than or equals to 3, what will be the output now? 600, 500, 400. This is the output. Only 3. Yes or no? Up to here, everyone clear? Up to here, everyone understood? Guys, everyone understood up to here? Okay. So the least salary is the third highest salary or not? So what I'll do here? Select min of sal from this table, from this query where row num equals where row num is less than or equals to 3. So if you want nth highest salary, in the place of 3, put that number. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear? Guys, understood? Okay. Now see, second least salary. If you want least salary, same inside query first. First, write inside query. Okay. Select distinct of sal from EMP. Okay. Order by. Now here we won't put anything. Means here ascending will come. Here ascending will come. Here ascending will come. If ascending, this one will be in ascending order. 100, 200, 300. Okay. So this is from. Okay. Now for this where Ronum is less than or equals to 2, you will get output 100 and 200. Second least salary is 200, right? 100 and 200 you will get output. Okay. Now for that, select max of sal. Select max of sal. Okay, and it's simple logic, right? Simple logic. See, if you want nth, nth highest salary, you have to write min, and you have to write descending order. But if you want nth least salary, you have to write max. You have to write max and ascending order. That's it. Clear, everyone? Everyone understood? Okay. Now see, I'll execute. Select min of sal from select distinct of sal from EMP order by sal descending brackets close where row num is less than or equals to 3. Third highest salary. I'll get 297. Second least salary. Select max of sal from select distinct of sal from EMP order by sal. That's it. We won't give any descending order where row num is less than or equals to 2. This is the second least salary. Clear? Everyone understood? Copy this. Very important interview question. They are going to ask you to explain also. That's why. Nth highest salary I have executed, right? See this. Nth highest salary, nth least salary, both I have executed. Everyone completed? Okay, done. This is all about correlated subqueries. Okay, with this your SQL is completed. Only normalization is left. It's completely a theory part. A lot of people are waiting for that. Everyone I will take. For everyone, one session I will take. I will give the notes of normalization. That's it. Okay. You can start practicing. You can start practicing. And if you have any doubts, any kind of things, you can approach me. Some people are asking me in Instagram and all. Okay, you can ask me in Instagram. I can answer your questions. Okay, anything you can ask me. DCL not over. Very easy. That is not at all important. Lifelong you will never use DCL, but I'll tell you DCL. There are two things: grant and revoke. Grant and revoke. 1 second, guys. See, grant and revoke. I'm logging with SQL whenever I want. I'm logging with username, spot, and password tiger. Okay, I'm logging with this. In this credentials, EMP table, department table, all those tables are there. If you log out, there is something called username, HR, password. I think password also tiger only, I guess. Okay, there is something, another credential is there, another credential. In this also, some tables will be there. Some tables will be there. Okay. Now what you know, EMP table is there in spot credential. HR people, see, the DCL you will never use in company also. Okay, but even then you should know HR credential, they want to access EMP table. Some work, something. They want EMP table to access. At that time, you have to use grant means giving permission to access that to give permission to access the table. Okay, grant means to giving permission to another credentials to access the table. Okay, how you know? Grant select on EMP to HR. EMP to HR. Okay, select grant on EMP to HR. If you use this, see grant succeeded. Now that table, one second. Okay, the table HR credentials can access now. Now, if you want to take back the permission, after giving permission, once the work is done, you can take back the permission. Revoke, select on EMP from HR. EMP from HR. Okay, revoke succeeded. Okay, grant means giving permission to another credentials to access the table. Revoke means taking back the permission to access the table. That's it. Copy it. Copy. Nothing else is there in this. Once you complete it, let me know, guys. completed. So only normalization is left. That one I'll take you. That normalization all you people know already. I said you right. You know that, but you don't know that you know. It's just a rules how to create a table. That one I'll give you the notes and all separately. Okay, that's it. Guys, practice everything. See, 90% of your SQL is completed in offline only. So no problem at all. Okay, everything from functions, everything you have to practice. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can connect me in Instagram. You can. Some people are taking snaps and they're asking me questions and all. You can connect me in Instagram, no problem. Okay, but make sure that you are perfect in that. Next week I'm going to take mock for you. SQL mock for you. One day before we'll let you know. Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, 2 days before. Okay, fine. Next week, 1 week before I'm telling that. 1 week before I'm telling. Fine then. Chalo. All the best. Take care of yourself. Okay, any backup class you want, you can sit with HRs, they will connect you. Okay, be safe, don't go out. Situation is very worse. People who are in Bangalore, especially. Okay, so take care. Happy birthday.